Okay, so I've attached all the candles into the candelabra now and adjusted the wires, and you can see that like so. What I actually did in the end, which is a little tip I suppose, is that I undid the wire and give myself a little bit of freedom and play there. Now I'm going to attach that O-ring which keeps all the wires in place. So I'm just going to switch this ring down to here and put a little bit of glue in the center there. And then slide that ring down. And hold it in place. And slide down my wire concealing sleeve. And make a bend there. I'm going to slowly lift it up, feed everything through. Until I get my candelabra in position. Adjust the wire, and I should have left the glue to fix, but you can see the effect there. And now I'm going to attach that using tape to the very top so that the wire doesn't move around while I'm making final adjustments in the model. And this, obviously, you're going to connect up other lights if you're going to use the fire light effect or the wall lights. Totally up to you.